Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, this app has been blocked for your protection. I want to run secondspong.msc. This app has been blocked for your protection. Error message appear on screen. Best solution is type CMD in search bar, right click, run as administrator. Type ni space user space administrator space / active semicolon yes. Now a built-in administrator account is enabled. Login with built-in administrator account. Type kbedit.msc in search bar. Click Computer Configuration. Click Windows Settings. Click Security Settings. Click Local Policies. Click Security Options. Select User Account Control. Run all administrators in admin approval mode. Double click. Click Disabled. Apply. OK. Restart the computer. After restarting, type secpong.msc. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.